In this video, I'll show you how to use Docusign on Android step by step so you can sign and manage documents easily from your phone. Start by opening the Google Play Store and searching for the Docusign app, then download and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in using your account credentials, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can view documents waiting for your signature, sent files, and completed agreements. To sign a document, simply tap on it, review all details carefully, and then tap the highlighted fields to add your signature or initials. You can draw or type your signature based on your preference. The app also allows you to send documents, track status, and receive notifications in real time. Always double-check information before signing to avoid mistakes. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.